What's up YouTube? I'm back here with another video. Today I am continuing my journey of modifying my FK8 Civic Type R. Today we're finally getting rid of the infamous fake vents on this car. Well, at least the front fake vents. So I went ahead and purchased the 2021 Garnishes. It came in 3 different pieces. This is the radar detector cover, and these are the 2 front garnishes. This is a super easy install. It's basically plug and play. All I need for the install are these trim remover tools. So this is how you take off the front garnish. Basically just pry around the edges. Yes. Just come right out, and then there's this pop clip right here. So it's kind of annoying how Honda makes you buy this piece separately. Like, why not just include it with the garnish? But anyways, I'm gonna go in and fit this onto the garnish. And now just follow the steps in reverse. All right. And just like that, the fake vents are officially gone. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. I do have something special planned for you guys for the next one. I might do a review of a friend's car. He has a 10-gen Civic Si that is full bolt-on and has a big turbo. Last but not least, I would appreciate if you could leave a like and comment on this video, and also please subscribe to my channel.